Gingerbread, a festive treat with a health twist. Do you love gingerbread's taste but are unsure about indulging in this holiday season? Let's talk about how you can enjoy this festive treat in a way that's both delicious and health conscious. I'm Dr. Carrie Lam, and I'm excited to share with you how you can transform gingerbread from a sugary holiday indulgence to a more balanced treat that still satisfies. Gingerbread is a staple for many during this holiday, but what if I told you you can actually enjoy it without sacrificing your wellness goals? So with a simple tweak, you can have best of both worlds. Let's explore the benefits of ginger, the star ingredient, and discover how you can make this holiday favorite work for you. Did you know that it's been used for generations to support wellness in many ways? There's a reason it's been cherished for so long, as ginger is a powerful root that can soothe the digestive system. Think about all the rich, indulgent foods we enjoy during the holidays. Ginger can actually help the GI tract move better. It helps with gut motility, and therefore it can help you feel a little more comfortable after a big meal by moving the food along. And it's not just about digestion. Ginger is also known for its naturally warming properties, which makes it the perfect spice to use when the weather cools down. There's something incredibly comforting about a warm, spiced gingerbread cookie or loaf on a chilly day, or even ginger tea. That cozy feeling you get inside isn't just from the taste, it's really the ginger at work, providing that warmth from the inside out. Let's face it, the holidays are full of indulgences, but that doesn't mean we throw away all our healthy habits. The good news is that gingerbread can be easily transformed into a more balanced treat, just a few ingredient swaps. And the best part, you won't have to sacrifice that rich, delicious flavor you love. First, let's talk about sweeteners. Instead of using refined sugar, which can cause energy crashes, try natural alternatives like monk fruit sweetener. This option not only helps provide a more stable source of energy, they can also add depth and richness to your gingerbread and does not spike your sugar as much as cane sugar. Another great swap is to trade traditional white flour for more nutrient-dense options like almond flour or cassava flour. These flours are packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, helping you feel fuller and more satisfied with each bite. And they can give your gingerbread a heartier texture, and that's perfect for the holiday season. If you're looking for a way to prevent holiday fatigue, you might want to check out this video for our practical tips to do during this holiday season. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on enjoying the holidays in a healthier, happier way.